You are going to love the 2026 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.